US Marine Boost Counter Drone Capability with MADI Air Defense System in Live Fire Training. The Live Fire Validation strengthens the Marine Corps Push to Field Distributed, Survivable Air Defense Units capable of operating inside Indo-Pacific Threat Zone. By proving MADI performance under realistic desert conditions, 3 RDMLR advanced a critical capability to protect dispersed force against the growing threat of drone in future conflict. According to information published on the official US Marine X account on March 28, 2026, the exercise took place during a field training event designed to simulate dynamic combat conditions. The integration of MADI into maneuver operation demonstrate ETS growing operational relevance for distributed force, particularly in support of expeditionary and Indo-Pacific scenario. The MADI is a mobile, ground-based air defense system mounted on the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV, developed to counter the rapid proliferation of unmanned aerial system, UAS, loitering munitions, and low-flying aircraft. The air defense system combine a 30 mm chain gun, Stinger surface-to-air missile, electronic warfare module, and advanced sensor suite, enabling both kinetic and non-kinetic engagement. This multi-layer configuration allow marine units to detect, track, and neutralize multiple aerial threats simultaneously while maintaining mobility. In combat term, MADI provide marine with a layer engagement envelope that span from soft kill electronic attack to hard kill kinetic interception. ETS Electronic Warfare Suite can disrupt or take control of hostile drone by jamming command links and GPS signal, effectively neutralizing threats without expending ammunition. When kinetic action is required, the 30 mm cannon offer high rate of fire engagement against group 1-3 drone and light aerial target, while Stinger missile extends the engagement range to counter fast-moving or high altitude threats. This combination significant increase reaction speed and engagement flexibility, enabling units to respond to saturation attack and swarm scenario that characterize modern drone warfare. A key strength of MADI lies in ETS sensor fusion and targeting architecture. Integrated radar system provide 360° detection coverage, while electro-optical and infrared sensor ensure positive identification and tracking in complex environment. This data is processed through onboard command and control system that can operate autonomously or a part of a wider network, reducing sensor-to-shooter timeline. In high-tempo combat, this capability is decisive, allowing marine to engage threats within seconds of detection while minimizing exposure. The 3 RD Marine Littoral Regiment represent a central element of the Marine Corps Force Design 2030 transformation, tailor for operation within contested maritime zone. Embedding MADI within this formation reflect a doctrinal evolution toward the centralized, organic air defense capability. Rather than relying on high echelon system, units can now defend against persist drone surveillance and strike threats independently, a critical requirement in modern conflict. Training at 4 National Training Center provide a highly realistic operational environment, combining vast maneuver space with advanced threat simulation. The presence of a capable opposing force, OPFOR, and electronic warfare conditions allow marine to validate MADI performance under stress, including rapid target acquisition, degraded communication, and multi-axis aerial attack. These conditions are essential to refining tactique, technique, and procedure for real-world deployment. Beyond MADI itself, the US Marine Corps is accelerating the fielding of a broad ecosystem of counter-US capability in response to lessons from Ukraine, the Middle East, and Indo-Pacific threat assessment. This includes handheld and vehicle-mounted electronic warfare system, such as Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System, LMADI, as well as emerging directed energy solution designed to provide low-cost, high-volume engagement against drone swarm. The integration of these systems into a layer defense architecture ensure redundancy and scalability, allowing marine to adapt to evolving threat density and tactique. The increasing emphasis on counter-drone warfare reflect a fundamental shift in battlefield dynamics, where low-cost unmanned systems can achieve disproportionate operational effect. For the Marine Corps, this has driven rapid doctrinal, technological, and procurement change aimed at restoring tactical overmatch at the small uni level. MADI sit at the core of this transformation, bridging the gap between traditional air defense and modern electronic warfare. From an acquisition and industrial perspective, MADI reflect the US Department of Defense's accelerated focus on counter-US solutions. Lessons learned from recent conflict have exposed vulnerability to low-cost aerial threats, driving rapid development and fielding of systems to address this gap. Future upgrades are expected to include enhanced electronic attack capability, improved sensor fusion, and potential integration of directed energy weapons, further increasing engagement depth and reducing cost per intercept. Operationally, the live fire training confirm MADI a maturing frontline capability within Marine Littoral Regiment. ETS role in supporting Expeditionary Advanced Base Operation, EABO, is critical, providing localized air defense for small, dispersed units operating in austere environment. This ensure sustained operational presence even under constant aerial surveillance and threat. Strategically, the emphasis on MADI signal a broad shift in US Marine Corps doctrine, acknowledging that low-altitude airspace is increasingly contested. By equipping maneuver units with organic air defense and expanding a layer counter-US ecosystem, the Corps enhances both resilience and deterrence. This evolution ensure that US Marine can continue to operate effectively in future conflict where drone saturation, electronic warfare, and precision strike capability are expected to dominate the tactical battle space.